Here's page 9 of unit conversions, number 9. Heinrich travels to England to buy some clothes. He changes 3,000 euros to British pounds GBP at the rate of 1 euro equals 0.8524 GBP. The bank charges a 1.5% commission. How many euros does the bank charge for commission? Okay. So first of all, he starts with 3,000 euros, right? So the first part, I don't think you even need to do any kind of, you don't have to do any kind of conversion. So he starts with 3,000 euros, and the bank charges 1.5% commission. We want to know the commission in euros first. So let's just take 1.5% of 3,000. So remember, percent means %. So you take 1.5 and you divide %. By 100, okay? And so if we multiply this, we are going to get 3,000 times 1.5 divided by 100. That gives us 45. So a 45 euro commission. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay, next thing. Find how much Heinrich receives for his 3,000 euros. Okay, first of all, you got to subtract out the commission. Okay, so 3,000 minus 45. 3,000 minus 45 is equal to 3,000 minus 45 equal to 29.55. Okay. So we want to know what 29.55 euros is after the conversion. We're going to multiply it by a domino. In the bottom of the domino, it's going to be 1 euro. In the top of the domino, it's going to be 0.8524 GBP. So in the end, the math is going to be 2955 times 0.8524, which is 2518.84. 2518.84 GBP. Okay? Let's see what else we need to do. So, he spends 2,100 GBP on clothes and changes the remaining money back. So if he spends 2,100 GBP, then we're going to take the 2518.84 GBP and we're going to subtract 2,100 GBP, and that's going to give us 418.84 GBP. And then he's going to change it back to euros at an exchange rate of that. No commission this time. Thank goodness. 418.84 GBP. We're going to multiply times the domino. On the bottom, we're going to have GBP, and on the top, we're going to have euros because we want GBP to cancel out. And we're going to put 1 GBP at the bottom and 1.161 euros on top. Let's do the multiplication. 418.84 times 1.161 gives us 486.27. 486.27 euros. Okay. And that's it. Let's go to number 10. A prize of $500 is awarded to 3 international students. Irma converts her prize money into Indian rupees at an exchange rate of $1 equals 44.95 Indian rupees. Calculate how many Indian rupees she receives. So $500, we start out with that. We're going to multiply it times the domino. On the bottom of the domino, we're going to have US dollars, and on the top, we're going to have Indian rupees. Why do we put US dollars on the bottom? So that we cancel out. The exchange rate is $1 to 44.95 Indian rupees. Let's do the multiplication. 500 times 44.95 Indian rupees equals 22,475 Indian rupees. Okay. Jose converts his prize money into Chilean pesos at an exchange rate of $1 equals 468.9 Chilean pesos. His bank charges 2% commission. Calculate how many CLP Jose receives. So we start with $500. And the exchange rate in this domino is going to be US dollars on bottom and Chilean pesos on top. Why do we put US dollars on the bottom? To cancel out. And inside we're going to put $1, and on top we're going to put 468.9 Chilean pesos. So we can go ahead and do this and then deduct the commission, or we can deduct the commission first. Which do you prefer? Well, let's deduct the commission first, because then it's easier to deduct 2% of $500, right? Let's find out what 2% is of $500. So $500 times 2%, 0.02, is going to be $10, okay? And so we can subtract that out. And so instead of 500 at the beginning, we're going to have 490, right? Because we're just subtracting out the commission, okay? And then, so then the multiplication we're going to do is 490 times 468.9. 468.9. 229,761. 229,761 pesos. Okay, and that's it. That's it for page 9.